Let T from R2 to R3 be a linear transformation such that T of this vector x1, x2 is defined in this way. Now find vector x such that T of x is a vector negative 1, 4, 9. So this can be rewritten as this thing. This one in vector notation is T of x1, x2 is equal to x1 minus 2x2 minus x1 plus 3x2, 3x1 minus 2x2. Okay, and this is in fact same as x1, x2 here, and 1, negative 2, negative 1, 3, 3, negative 2. If we multiply this matrix with this vector, we're gonna get this vector. Okay, so that's the case, and we denote this by a all the time, and this is x. So we want to find x. That means that x will be here. T of x lives in R3, so x means pretty much x1, x2, a vector in R2. So this is what, so that T of x, which is given by this, is this vector. So this one is in fact negative 1, 4, 9. Okay, so ax, that's unknown, equals this. So we just write ax equals b. Okay, this is kind of b, and from there we determine x. So to solve this problem, we just write the corresponding augmented matrix. So from this we got the matrix here: 1, negative 2, negative 1, 3, 3, negative 2, and now this is vector b. So negative 1, 4, 9. Okay, this is vector a, this is kind of vector b, and we are trying to determine x1, x2. Okay, so here, so we want to make this 0, 0, and oh, we got only two unknowns, so this is 0, 0, and we have to make this 0 as well, and hopefully this all three will be 0. If we have 0, 0 and something else, that means we cannot solve. Okay, we will make this 0, 0 and go from there. Okay, so let's do the following. So row reduction, so make this 0, so R2, so negative 1 plus 1, 0, so R2 plus R1, and at the same time we can make this 0 as well. Okay, let's do this. R1, no change. Now R2, we are doing R2 plus R1, negative 1 plus 1, 0, 3 plus negative 2, 1, 4 plus negative 1, 3. Here now to make this 0, so R3 plus, this is 3, let's multiply this by, let's multiply this by negative 3, or we could multiply here as well, but this one we just change. So let's work on this. We multiply by negative 3 to R1, 3 plus negative 3, 0, negative 2 plus positive 6, 4, 9 plus positive 3, 12. Okay, look at the rows 2 and row 3, because 1 times 4, 4, 3 times 4, 12. So in fact third row is 4 times second row. Okay, when we multiply, when we try to make this 0, then this is going to be 0 as well. In fact, if we get two rows multiples of each other, then we can simply change, oh, this is going to be 0, all 0. okay? Or if try to make this 0 using this one, it's gonna be 0. So this one is same as 1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 3. We get 0, 0, 0. So this is in row echelon form, pivot, pivot, x1, x2. So from this is, we work always backward from the second row. This is 0, x1 plus 1, x2. x2 equals 3. And from the first row, 1x1 minus 2x2 equals -1. And we got x2 3. So this is 3. -2 times 3 is -6. So add 6 both sides. -1 plus 6, that's going to be 5. So thus, so the x we are looking for is x1, x2, which is 5, 3. And we have unique answer.